suite, on va penser à toutes ces personnes-là qui souhaitent très souvent brûler leur graisse. Quelle épice nous aide concrètement à brûler nos graisses? Voici un tout petit peu l'astuce qu'on aura côté bien-être aujourd'hui de Pascal D. Et ça se fera avec Christabel Merveille et David Clément Dobo. Christabel.
Yes, if you're just joining us, it's that point where we talk about your health. Remember that your health is your wealth and you ought to keep it safe. We've been talking from the beginning of this week how to go about it when you think of losing weight, when you think of slimming down your shape, when you think of trying to cut down a few calories. What are some of the things you can do? And yesterday we were giving you a few tips of what to consider before slimming down or before embarking on a slimming course. Today we are going to be talking about some traditional spices that can help you burn fat and slim up your shape as soon as possible. And remember, it's always Pascal D, our super dietitian, our super nutritionist. She's always there to give you these tips. She's always there to respond to your messages or your calls, and she's always there to advise you the most professional she can. Now we are talking about something that many people don't know is very useful. We are talking about the cinnamon. The cinnamon, many people don't even see why they should have cinnamon in their homes, but it's something that we're advising you should have every day in your house for various reasons. And now when we're talking about slimming down, you just need to add to your juices, smoothies, and infusions, and you consume. Cinnamon should be one of the things you consume every time if you really want to cut down your weight. Now we have the cayenne pepper. It produces body heat. You know, when you sweat out your fat, you sweat out excesses, you sweat out toxins. So you have that cayenne pepper that you could use to get yourself very hot and sweat out fats from your body and toxins. You have turmeric. Turmeric is one very nice spices, very nice spices to have around the house. So you could go for turmeric, you could go for infusions of ginger with turmeric. Yes, do ginger and turmeric blends and you consume them. You know, just with the, you could go to Pascal D and she will tell you how to go about the consumption, but it's a very good combination to go for ginger and turmeric. Then you have cumin. Cumin you add to your infusions or meals as well. Just add them to your meals, consume them, but I would love you to go to Pascal D Official. Ask her how you can consume them. Tell her the reality of your diet and she's going to advise you how you could go about it. Meet her on Facebook, Pascal D Official, every day, anytime you want to talk to her. She's an open-minded person. She will listen to you. She'll give you the advice that will pertain to what help you need at the time. She also responds to a number that you can write on WhatsApp and get to her, which is 694 711 635 694 711 635.
Version française ou en français, merveille, épices, brûle-graisse.
Oui, bien sûr. Ce matin, on va parler des épices qui peuvent nous permettre de brûler nos graisses. On va commencer par la cannelle. On demande de rajouter de la cannelle dans vos smoothies et également dans vos infusions. Également, on va parler ce matin du poivre de Cayenne. Le poivre de Cayenne vous permet de brûler les graisses et crée une chaleur corporelle. Vous savez très bien que par la transpiration, on élimine en mieux les graisses du corps. Donc, il faut utiliser en majorité des fois le poivre de Cayenne. Ce matin, en troisième position, j'allais dire, on va parler du curcuma. Il faut utiliser le curcuma dans les infusions de gingembre et vous pouvez constamment consommer du curcuma. Le gingembre, vous connaissez très bien les propriétés du gingembre dans le corps et dans l'amincissement du corps. En quatrième position ce matin, on parle du cumin. Du cumin, il faut rajouter dans vos infusions. Donc, en résumé, on va dire la cannelle, le poivre de Cayenne, le curcuma et le cumin. Si on veut perdre du poids ou bien brûler les graisses, il faut consommer en quantité suffisante. De toutes les manières, il faut consommer tout le temps. Voilà, vous allez simplement sur la page de Pascal D officiel sur Facebook pour en savoir un peu plus. Il faut rappeler qu'elle peut vous suivre, elle peut vous accompagner, vous envoyer simplement des messages sur son WhatsApp ou encore dans la messagerie de sa page officielle sur Facebook. C'est une diététicienne nutritionniste. Voilà Dorette.
Merci beaucoup. Je pense qu'on a plusieurs épices, parmi lesquelles le curcuma, le cumin, voilà, la cannelle, tout ça qui vont nous aider à pouvoir brûler nos graisses. Ça ne concerne pas que les femmes. Je pense que ça concerne les hommes et les femmes et parfois même les enfants parce qu'on voit des enfants qui sont en situation de surpoids. Voilà. Christabel, tu as un souci?
Yes, I just received a message. Apparently, it's in reaction to the message of the pastor. What Apostle Paul was saying, and he says, "Bonjour."